Tata Group is in talks with a Taiwanese supplier to establish an electronics manufacturing joint venture in India, seeking to assemble iPhones. The discussions with Western Corp are aimed at making Tata a force in technology manufacturing, and the Indian giant wants to tap the Taiwan company's expertise. If successful, the pact could make Tata the first Indian company to build iPhones, which are currently mainly assembled by Taiwanese manufacturing giants. An Indian company making iPhones would be a massive boost for the country's effort to challenge China, whose dominance in electronics manufacturing is very high. It could also persuade other global electronics brands to consider assembly in India to reduce their reliance on China at a time of increasing geopolitical risks. The structure of the deal and details such as shareholdings are yet to be finalized, and talks are ongoing, people related to the company said. The plan could entail Tata buying equity in Wistron's India operations, or the companies could build a new assembly plant. Tata Group chairman Natarajan Chandrasekaran has said electronics and high-tech manufacturing are key focus areas for the company. Do you think Tata will succeed in getting this partnership? Will iPhones become cheap if this partnership succeeds? Share your thoughts in the comments.